Welcome to the Provider Entry Portal tutorial for PEP administrators. This video is designed as a supplement to the written user's guide. In this short video, we will show PEP administrators how to add the PEP service to their Secure Access Washington SAW account and assign a proxy to enroll agencies into the American Indian Alaska Native Fee-for-Service program. Before we begin, let's quickly go over your system requirements. This application is supported by Internet Explorer 9 and above and Chrome versions 56 and above. It may work with other browsers, but these are the tested and accepted ones. You must have an account with Secure Access Washington in order to use the Provider Entry Portal. If you need to set one up, go to secureaccess.wa.gov and select Create One. To get started, log into your SAW account. Click on Add New Service. From the list on the right, select Department of Social and Health Services. Scroll down and find Provider Entry Portal and click Apply. You will see a screen that says Service Registration Successful. On the top left, click on My Services. Find Provider Entry Portal and click on it. You will then be given three choices of authentication for security purposes. You can choose to get an email with a code, a phone call with a code, or answer the challenge questions you set up in your SAW account. Select Out-of-Band Email and click the Continue button. If you have an optional email entered, you will need to select the one that you will have access to on the computer you are working on. Click the Continue button. Go to your email and retrieve the confirmation code that was sent to you. Enter that confirmation code in the confirmation code box, and then click the Continue button. Next, click the Continue button on the Authentication Complete page. The registration to the provider entry form will be partially populated with your information. You need to add your phone number. Next, check each of the three boxes saying that you agree to the terms, and then click the Register button. Now you can assign a proxy. Generally, the administrator assigns someone else as a proxy, but they can assign themselves as the proxy. However, there can only be one proxy. First, we will show you how to delegate the role of the proxy. Fill out the proxy information form. Click on the Create button. You will see this screen, and the person you assigned as the proxy will receive an email with instructions within the next 5 days. If you are delegating the proxy, you're done. If you, the administrator, choose not to delegate the role of proxy, the process is similar. Enter your information in the proxy information form. When you click on the Create button, you will not have to wait 5 days for the email instructions. Click on the You can perform agency registration by clicking here text, and you are ready to start as a proxy. Select the agency or agencies you want to enroll. Scroll down and click on the green box with the plus sign to add staff. Fill in the information in the Add New Staff form. Note, if you need to close the Add Staff window without saving, click on the square in the upper right-hand corner. Once the form is fully populated, click on Save. Once you have added all the new staff you want, scroll down to the Staff Information section. For each new staff member, use the pull-down to select the agency or agencies you want assigned to them. After assigning the agencies, use the pull-down to select a role, primary, backup, or data entry, for each staff member. If you need to edit a staff entry, click on the orange box with the pencil and paper icon. Make your changes, then click on Save. If you need to delete a staff member, click on the red box with the trash can icon. When you're all done making entries, you must click on the Submit button. And that's it. You're done. If you need additional help after viewing this video tutorial and referring to the written user's guide, you can email us at ffsquestions@dshs.wa.gov.